I'm Kirba from Turbowine. I make AI automations. Currently, for my client, I am trying to build a solution that involves Zoho Calendar, where I need to fetch free and busy schedule in a Zoho Calendar. So I tried to search in online. I couldn't find proper information regarding that. So I created a video on how I figured it out. So maybe it will be helpful for you too if you're trying to integrate Zoho Calendar with Make.com and trying to find the free and a busy schedule. Yeah, enough of me talking. So here I have a documents. So I will give the link to the document in the description. Please feel to check it out. So we need to go to two links. One is Zoho API access. So you can just click on it and then you can log in it. Yeah, and then next is Postman. This is where we make API requests, this kind of things. Please go to these two links and create a login or sign up, whatever you want to do. Please do that things, and then after you logged into this Zogo, it will looks like this for you. Now you need to click add client and then click self client. After you click self client, it is asking me to log in again. God, every 30 minutes, 30 seconds, I need to do the login. Okay. So after you logged into Zogo, you will have this panel and click add client, go to self client. And here we will have two sections, generate code and client secret. In generate code, gives any scope, maybe Zogo calendar, yeah, code expiry. So here goal is to create a code. So the code expiry duration we can set it as 10 minutes. Yeah, we want to set it as a max for or at least for testing 10 minutes and add description whatever you want. This is for calendar testing, something, something. Yeah, and after you hit create, it will generate a code. Please save this code somewhere safely. We need to use this code. Yeah, after you click create, it will generate a code. And here, if you see client secret, here also you will have a client secret ID and a client secret key. We need this also. So please save this also. There's no need to save this. You can copy this, but please save the code which we generated first here. After having this three code, that is the code which we generated here, and the two codes, that is client ID, client secret. Now move to postman. Here, values here, please click send. So after you hit send, you will have a status code 200. Most probably, if you do it correctly, yeah. And how the output will looks like? The output will looks like this for you. So this is a refresh token. Here, the second line you will see refresh token. Please save this refresh token. We need this, yeah. So recap what we did. We log into Zogo API and then we go to self client and we created a code here. We save this code and then we have a client ID, secret ID. After having this, we go to postman and we did this thing, hit send, and after hitting send we have an output like this, and this is the reference token and we save this reference token. Now all the huge and the ugly part, to be honest, technical part is done. Now the easy stuff. Now go to make.com. Obviously, where the make.com is. And then what you need to do is click three dots and then import blueprint. Click choose file and click on this blueprint. I will attach this blueprint in the link in the description. Yeah, and you hit save and it will have a 2 HTTP module. So here, just when you need to make some minor edits here, don't change any URL here or nothing. Just change your reference token. You remember this is the reference token which we get from this output from Postman. So this token, yeah. So this token, please put it here. The client ID, you can find on the Zoho API console. Here you can find the client ID and the secret ID. Just click this, copy and paste your client ID here and your secret ID here and grant type. Just leave it as reference token. And please hit save and save here also. And after you save, click run this module only. So after you run this module, hopefully it will not throw up any error if you follow the steps. Yeah. And next goes to the second module. Don't change anything here. Only input is you need to have a access token. This access token, it can be generated from here. It should be visible for you. That's why I told you to run this module only uh, 3 seconds ago, so that you can have this data to map it. So you just click on map this data, and here you need to put your email ID where you have a Zoho calendar. Yeah, and here I have a start date from which date it needs to look for the free and busy schedule. For me, I start from today, but look for one day in future. Let's say if client want to book a meeting, I will not say, we have a today free slot at 2 o'clock. It will be not good to tell them that we have a meeting free slot today. Most probably I don't prefer that, so I want to choose the day which is one day after today. So I choose the one day after today, and it starts from 9, and then it will start to search from, let's say, tomorrow from 9 a.m. Same goes here. It will look for 2 days after tomorrow, that is 3 days. Sorry for the confusing term, and it will end at 5 o'clock. So that is our working hours, yeah, from 9 to 5. And then I need to look for tomorrow and 3 days after tomorrow. This is the thing, but you can change it whatever you want or however you want. Yeah, and this F type, leave it as event based. You can click save and save it here. So after you done it perfectly, let's say this two HTTP module, and if you run, you will have a output like this. You need to see status code 200, and then the data free busy, and here you will have what is the time that is busy. So I have generally two times that is busy here, and I will show you my calendar. So it is on 29th I have one busy, and 30 I have one busy. So let's go to my calendar. So I have 29 one busy schedule, same 30. If you notice there is a time change here, so let's say in 29th I'm busy on afternoon 1 o'clock, but here it shows 29 I'm busy on 7:30 in the morning. It is because of that Zulu time here. And how to convert it is a long process. So this is what it does here, this rest of the workflow. If you think that is needed for you, let me know. I will make one more video for it. But as of now, this is how you get Zoho free or busy schedule into the make.com by using two HTTP module. Yeah, hope this will be helpful. Maybe if you need more information or any questions, just put in a comment. I will make sure that I will reply to that. And so the helpful stuff will be for you. If you're stuck anywhere, I will add these two links. So these two links will walk you through that step which I outlined here. So this is where so it will guide you step by step on how to do it. So yeah, hopefully this will be helpful, and this concludes this video. Thank you.